We're at Walmart and it's midnight.
So
cool. Walking around Walmart. We will.
okay, it's okay.
It's alright. We're good.
We'll clean it.
We'll clean what?
The mess. She just said don't make a mess.
Oh, we'll clean up the mess, yeah. What is this? I've never been back here before. Mysterious room.
This is where
Go. Oh my god, you can just like hide and seek in here. It'd be so much fun. You don't know what's gonna happen. It smells so funky in here. Go, Mo. Go, Mo. Go, Mo. You're just holding your butt.
a garlic presser.
Oh my god, a garlic presser. We're gonna find the garlic presser in Walmart. It is like, what is the time? It's 12.
It's like Mark.
Just take it. Oh, what is this?
G6.
Huh?
Like a G6.
Why are people here, man? I don't get it.
Because we're here.
Ew. Your mustache. Oh my god, look at the M&M guy.
That's the girl. She's the sexy one. Remember, she gives the red and yellow one bundles.
There's candy in there. There's candy in there. Oh my god, there's candy in there.
Luella's missing out on this.
Just took it. Just gonna take it. Yeah. Just take it. Oh, then hide it.
They'll never find that one.
They'll never know what we put it away. Are those slippers? No. No. No, no, no. Rocking out. Oh, rocking the fuck out.
I surely am. Look at this.
Mustache!
My lip is sticky.
These people are strange.
It's not the first time I've talked.
No, 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 no.
I was talking about my second mustache. The one I had a couple.
You should have gave your mom the sassy one.
One for Jake.
Today wasn't here, what a loser. The fucking flies.
Blue Kool-Aid. Are you kidding me?
Oh.
Where's the blue Kool-Aid from?
Kool-Aid?
I can't find any blue Kool-Aid. And just leave it. I love you too.